Time check! Sawadee ka Tokon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning, everyone! Adika. Adika.
หมดอาทิตย์ไหมพี่
Thank you.
Dahil sobrang aga ko dahil kasi hindi ako naligo, naglamos lang.
Thank you.
Ba't naman may nakaharang dito, Day? Ano nangyari dito? Hinarangan ba nila? Sinadya ba to? Aray. Make-up time! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Morning, Teacher Namtan! Morning, Teacher Jen! Morning, Teacher Ming! And I'm done with my makeup. Makeup dyan taday kay. Just ko day ang mukha pag nasunog. Kung walang makeup, klarong-klaro yung sunog. Mabuti yung may makeup at hindi masyadong klaro yung sunog ba. Annyeonghaseyo 여러분, 오늘은 mukbang은 fried rice with pork and waffle with chocolate입니다. 야르. 맛있다. 맛있다. 알로이 막, 알로이 막. Taste test. 알로이 막. 진짜 맛있다. Bon appetit! Cheers! Bon appetit! Cheers! Finish แล้วกินข้าวแล้วอ๋อ your breakfast oh my god ส่งไปแล้วค่ะ
in Thailand?
Thailand 2 ปีแล้ว 2 years already
2 years. Wow. You speak Thai ได้ด้วย
just a little bit
เป็นไง
wala akong first period ngayon kasi may tutoring class ang mga estudyante ko. Pero pag walang klase, digest ko na, thanks God, may tutoring class sila kasi free time ko na naman. Hi! Minsan kasi is may mga activities sila like mga tigat nila, may mga advanced studies ata yan. Basta ganyan, tutoring class. Ganyan, may mga ano sa school ba? Mga programs. Kaya syempre, kukunin nila yung ibang time or class period. Kaya walang pasok si bakla sa first period. Saya day, ang saya ko day. Kasi free time. Free time kasi ang mga estudyante ay may seminar. Free time na naman yung second period ko. Yay! Sarap pag ganito palagi ba? Free time. Diyos ko, Lord, was stress. Hindi pa maubos yung buses mo, day. Hi! Makakapagpahinga. Dagdag pahinga pa din. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Give me your score, Hong. 23. Very good. Rios. Very good. Very good. Pum. 12. Butter. 22. Very good. Pum. Very good. CP. 24. Very good. CP. Tunpo. 21. Very good. Nawa. 19. Very good. Kun. Very good. Cow. 23. Very good. Poo. 22. Very good. Sprite. 25. Excellent. Clap your hands to Sprite. Fiat. 20. Very good. Tal. 22. Very good. Nua. 20. Very good. Im. Very good. Im. Cow. 23. Very good. City. Very good. Bonus. Very good. Paint. Very good. Tautu. Baitong. 20. Very good. Pinmok. 24. Very good. Parn. Parn. 10. Baitong. 20. Yisip. 17. Sipjet. An. 18. Chur-ain. Very good. August. 25. Excellent, August. Clap your hands to August. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. Bon appetit.
เสร็จแล้วการเรียนข้อสอบเนี่ยตัดเราต้องเสียเวลาออกไม่
Dahil sobrang taas ng free time ko ngayon, so ang gagawin ko na lang is mag-staple sa mga exam papers nila. Mag-stapler nito. Mag-stapler tas mga exam paper. Ang dami na. Tatlong page, tatlong band paper. Yeah. Laban Alaksan FR. Santa. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Give me the score. Gan 30. Samsip. Very good. Prot. Very good. Nanpa 29. Silong 4. August. Okay. Bang. Very good. Copper. 27. Porsche. 28. Yisipet. 28. Panpan. 32. Very good. Pum. Very good. Pum. Prapamuang. 31. Pum. Kan. August. Very good. China. 28. Ongsa. 34. Samsipsi. Very good. Panpan. Very good. Pruang Prach. 34. Very good. Bombang. Very good. Oy. 32. Very good. Namon. 33. Very good. C. 32. Samsipsong. Very good. Kauhom. 33. Very good. Tubtim. 34. Very good. Chicha. Very good. Tida. Samsip. Very good. Prim. 32. Very good. Peer. Very good. Deer. 32. Samsipsong. Very good. Fin. Very good. Samsipsi. Namkeng. 27. San. Sipha. Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. It's free time again. Wala na akong class sa period 8 kasi wala ang M5. Free time na naman. Ay, salamat. Sana everyday ba ganito? Sana everyday walang yung dalawang klase lang sa isang araw. Para hindi masyadong pagod, stress, or hindi ako mawala ng boses minsan. Ay, thanks God. May tutoring class kasi sila ang M5 na students ko today. So, lahat ng M5 na may klase ako, wala akong pasok. Kaya, Laban Alaksan FR.